guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to teach you how to get this really nice natural wave in your hair. If you do like this video, please give me a like and a subscribe and let's dive in. Great, so what you need is you need to have some serum. Now I'm currently using this one here. This just helps to protect your hair as well as give it some nutrients back. Also you'll need some hairspray. So I love this brand just because it's not a hard hairspray and it keeps the curls really nice and loose without giving that really heavy, yucky, sticky feeling. A hairbrush, 2 clips, a curler. So I am going to be using my GHD Creative Curl. It is currently on now and I just really like the curls that it gives me and it's really easy to use. And a glove. Now you don't have to use these, I just find it so much more easier, and if I do burn my hand, I'm safe. So I definitely recommend investing in one of these. Awesome, so let's get going. Great, so you want to start with grabbing some of your hair treatment and heat protectant serum. Just chuck it in your hair in there, doesn't need to be much. And just brush it through. Heat protectant serum in my hair now. So what I'm going to do is grab the hairspray and just give it a shake and just chuck it in my hair a little bit. And then the same for the other side. So you don't want heaps, you just want a little bit in there just to help hold the curl. Great, so now that we've done that, let's just brush that all through. In 3 parts, you want to section the side. So we'll do the first part first. Like so. And just brush it through. And this is where the glove comes in. Just chuck that on there. And then we'll just section it. Great, so you just want to grab a section of your hair and just wrap it around the GHD like so, and hold it here for about 10 to 15 seconds. Great, so once you've done that, you just want to take it out slowly. And as you can see, we've got just a really nice curl there. So if you just twist it around, it'll actually help hold its curl. So now we'll go on to the next one. So what we'll do is I'll do the rest of my hair and then I'll come back to you guys once we've jumped to the other side. So we're going to jump on this side now and we're going to do it in 3 sections and then we will hold the curl for about 10 to 15 seconds. As you can see, huge difference. Obviously the curls are really holding and it just gives a bit of texture to your hair. So let's dive in on this side. So one thing to mention is you also want to be making sure that the hair is going the other way, just so that you've got them both going the right way. So if you've looped it this way on this side, you want to go that way on that side. So take the glove off and now you want to get the hairspray and just hairspray this side. Great. So now you want to just get your fingers and just pull the curls through. It's also a good time once you've done that to see where you might want to add a bit more curl. So I might just put a bit more on this side. Great, so as you can see, we have added this really nice, easy, natural curl. It takes under 5 minutes to do. You don't need to be a hairdresser to create this look. If you did like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you.